Hey guys, so this is what I filmed with today, and it is giving me like really fall vibes, but oh well, it's cute. This is what the inside looks like, and yeah. So my husband is working in the other room, so I'm going to keep it short, but I will let you know I ordered the Black Widow palette from Ulta Beauty collection, and I'm excited for it to get here so I can film a little video with that. But I'm going to go ahead and just jump into the video. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed the little video today. I do have to be quiet because we're in quarantine, so my husband is working right in the other room. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and I'll see you in the next one.